Creating wood art as a gift is a thoughtful and personal project. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make beautiful wood art that anyone would love to receive. Materials needed. Wood. Choose a wooden board or canvas, pine, plywood, or reclaimed wood works well. Tools. Saw for cutting the wood if needed. Sandpaper, various grits. Wood glue, if assembling pieces. Paint or wood stain. Brushes or sponges. Wood burning tool, optional for designs. Varnish or sealant for finishing. Decorative elements, optional stencils, wood letters, or embellishments. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Choose your design. Decide on a theme or message for your wood art. It could be a quote, an image, or an abstract design. Sketch your idea on paper or use a graphic design tool. 2. Prepare the wood. Cut the wood to your desired size if necessary. Sand the edges and surfaces using sandpaper to make it smooth and splinter-free. 3. Transfer your design. Option 1. Use stencils to outline your design directly onto the wood. Option 2. Print your design on paper, then transfer it by tracing or using carbon paper. 4. Add color. Paint your design using brushes or sponges. You can also use wood stain for a natural look. Let the paint dry completely before moving on. 5. Incorporate texture, optional. Use a wood-burning tool to add intricate designs or lettering. Attach decorative elements like wood letters or embellishments using wood glue. 6. Finish the wood art. Once everything is dry, apply a varnish or sealant to protect the surface and enhance the colors. Allow it to dry as per the manufacturer's instructions. 7. Add a hanging mechanism if needed. If your wood art is meant to be hung, attach hooks or sawtooth hangers to the back. 8. Wrap it up. Consider a creative gift wrap or presentation, such as a simple burlap bag or a decorative box, to enhance the gift-giving experience. Tips for success. Personal touch. Personalize the art with the recipient's name or a meaningful quote. Practice. If you're new to painting or wood burning, practice on a scrap piece of wood first. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different techniques, like distressing the wood for a vintage look. Creating wood art is not only a rewarding project, but also a heartfelt gift that reflects your creativity and thoughtfulness. Certainly, here are some additional ideas, techniques, and tips to enhance your wood art project for gifting. Additional ideas for wood art. 1. Wooden signs. Create personalized signs with names, quotes, or special dates. Use stencils or vinyl lettering for a clean look. 2. Decorative wall art. Assemble various shapes or pieces of wood to create a mosaic or abstract design. Experiment with different wood types for contrast. 3. Photo frames. Craft a rustic photo frame from wood. You can add decorative elements or engrave a special message. 4. Wooden coasters. Cut slices of wood and decorate them with a design or quote. Seal them to protect against moisture. 5. Wooden keepsake box. Build a small box with a hinged lid. Personalize it with carvings or paint, perfect for storing memories. 6. Nature-inspired art. Use branches, twigs, or leaves to create a natural scene. Glue them onto a wooden base for a beautiful texture. Techniques to enhance your wood art. 1. Layering. Layer different pieces of wood to create depth in your design. Use contrasting colors or textures for visual interest. 2. Burning techniques. Use a wood-burning tool to create intricate designs. Practice different techniques, like shading or outlining, for added detail. 3. Inlay work. Create designs by inlaying different types of wood. This can involve cutting out shapes from one wood and fitting them into another. 4. Resin art. For a modern twist, incorporate resin into your wood art. Pour colored resin into carved areas or use it to create a glossy finish. Personalization ideas. Monograms. Engrave or paint initials or monograms for a personal touch. Significant dates. Include important dates, like anniversaries or birthdays, for a sentimental gift. Favorite quotes. Choose quotes that resonate with the recipient for a meaningful addition. Gift presentation tips. Include a note. Write a heartfelt note explaining the significance of the gift. Themed wrapping. Wrap the wood art in themed paper or fabric that matches the recipient's style or decor. Gift box. Place the item in a decorative box, adding a layer of surprise when they open it. Safety and best practices. Safe tools. Always use safety gear when working with tools, including goggles and gloves. Proper ventilation. If using paints or finishes, ensure your workspace is well ventilated. Quality materials. Use high-quality wooden finishes to ensure the longevity of your art piece. Conclusion: creating wood art as a gift is a wonderful way to express creativity and thoughtfulness. With these additional ideas and techniques, you can craft something truly unique and special that the recipient will cherish for years to come. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. What are some good wood types for inlay work? Inlay work involves embedding pieces of different woods or other materials into a base wood to create intricate designs and patterns. Here are some good wood types for inlay work, along with their characteristics. 1. Maple. Characteristics: hard, fine-grained, and light in color. Advantages: great for intricate designs due to its smooth surface, holds detail well. 2. Walnut. Characteristics: dark, rich color with a beautiful grain pattern. Advantages: contrasts well with lighter woods, easy to work with and sands nicely. 3. Cherry. Characteristics: reddish-brown wood that darkens with age. Advantages: offers warmth and depth to inlay designs, easy to carve and shape. 4. Oak. Characteristics: strong and durable with prominent grain. Advantages: works well for both base and inlay pieces, its texture adds interest. 5. Birch. Characteristics: light in color with a fine grain. Advantages: affordable and versatile, easy to work with for detailed inlays. 6. Sapele. Characteristics: dark reddish-brown wood with a fine texture. Advantages: provides a beautiful contrast with lighter woods and has a nice sheen when finished. 7. Padauk. Characteristics: bright orange to reddish-brown color. Advantages: striking appearance, works well for bold inlay designs. 8. Purple Heart. Characteristics: deep purple color that darkens over time. Advantages: unique color adds drama to inlays, very dense and durable. 9. Teak. Characteristics: golden brown with a straight grain, naturally oily. Advantages: excellent for outdoor projects, resists moisture, making it suitable for decorative inlays. 10. Basswood. Characteristics: soft, light-colored wood. Advantages: easy to carve and shape, great for beginners working on inlay designs. Tips for inlay work: contrast. Choose woods that contrast well with each other to make the inlay stand out. Grain direction. Pay attention to the grain direction. Aligning them can create a more cohesive look. Stability. Use stable woods that won't warp or shrink, especially for the base piece. By selecting the right wood types for your inlay projects, you can create stunning and intricate designs that showcase your craftsmanship.